Welcome to Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway update video. Yes, behind me is Koramo Beach House Tower, and that's the beginning section of Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway. Over there you can see that's Eco Atlantic City building. You are seeing those skyscrapers there, and then here is Atlantic Ocean. If you look closely, this is the beautification. The street light has been done successfully already. What is my mission today? I'll be taking you on a tour from the beginning section of Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway. I'll be driving you straight down to Jakonde First Gate, all the way to Chevron, where this construction section has stopped at the moment. And after that, they continue from Songotedo axis down to Eleko roundabout. I'm ready to take you from Victoria Island, which is the beginning section of Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway, and let's take the journey down to as far as we can get to. My name is Abraham Ishaba from NigeriaRoads TV. Let's take a tour.
There is going to be a stopover at Landmark Beach Resort to show you the demolished site of Landmark Beach. Do not stop this video halfway, as this tour promises you a comprehensive tour of Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway. Keep watching. Approaching Landmark Beach Resort.
At this section, this is where you have Landmark Beach. Right where I'm standing is the facility where Landmarks have their resort. Look at the facility here. This is their hotel building, and all this place down to this place you are seeing this sand used to be water where people came to have their leisure time and their free time during the weekend or weekdays. So guys, let's continue on the journey again. We are heading towards Jakonde First Gate.
The dreams come alive. Oh, 7 years strong. Abraham on the rise. Oh, Lagos to Abuja, we're making it real. Find your dream home. Now we hold the deal. Each about the tons, we there for you. Dream homes, investments, we see you through you. Abraham will lead you, no shaking, no. Each about real talks, the place to go. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. Each about real talks, the trusted guide. Find your land or house or by your side. No matter your plan, you believer. Each about real talks, we gon' make you prosper. We gon' turn your dreams into reality.
Thank you for coming this far with me on this tour today. At this section, this is around Marwa Oniru axis where you have New Market. So this is second roundabout if you are coming through Lekki Ekpe Expressway. For those of you that are familiar with Lagos map, you will understand how to connect this road navigating towards second roundabout, which is Marwa on Lekki-Epe Expressway. For question and observation, please drop it in the comment section, as that will help us to work on our video quality, audio alignment, and overall improve on our video quality and production. Your contribution and your comments add immense value to our channel.
Find your land or house or by your side. No matter your plan, you deliver. Each other real to us. We gon' make you prosper. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. Whether you buy, sell, or you dig, invest, we gon' guide you to make them best. Lagos home, so I put your few. Each other realtors go work for you. Passion wicked, service no be play. Expertise strong, trust us all the way. Now Abraham be the man with sabi to teach other. Now success you go. Each other realtors, we there for you. Dream homes, investments, see you through you. Abraham will lead you, no shaking, no. Each other realtors, the place to go. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. Each other realtors, the trusted guide. Find your land or house or by your side. No matter your plan, you deliver. Each other realtors. Shabba around you, we there for you. You love the sound flow. Shabba realty. Love the sound flow.
Thank you for coming this far with me. This third road is going to stop somewhere ahead of me, so follow me to the third road where the concrete stamping has gone to, and then this video, like I promised before, is going to end at Chevron. We are driving towards Jakonde at the moment. This concrete stamping stop at this point here is all the way from Amadu Bello Way, Victoria Island down to this point, and then it has not gotten to Jakonde. So our next stopover is going to be at Jakonde First Gate. Keep coming with me, and thank you for watching.
Shabba Realty, we there for you. You let the sound flow. Shabba Realty. Let the sound flow. Let the sound flow. Let the sound flow.
Thank you guys for coming this far with me on this tour today. We started from Victoria Island, where we have Gramo Beach Tower and Eco Atlantic City, which is the beginning section of Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway road construction project. And where I am right now is Jakonde axis. Like I promised earlier, I'll be taking you straight away to Chevron, where this construction ended at the moment. And then the construction under phase started from Songotedo axis Awoyaya down to Ibeju-Lekki, where you have Dangote Refinery, Lekki Deep Sea Port, and several other developments. So guys, if you have come this far with me on this tour today, do me a favor to subscribe to my channel, and you are getting frequent update video from Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway and other real estate developments in Lagos, Nigeria. Guys, thank you, and do well to stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. My name is Abraham Ishaba from Ishaba Realtors TV. We continue again from here down to Chevron.
Shabba Realtors, the dreams come alive. Oh, 7 years strong. Abraham on the rise. Oh, Lagos to Abuja, we're making it real. Find your dream home, now we hold the deal. Oh, each Shabba Realtors, we there for you. Dream homes, investments, we see you through you. Abraham will lead you, no shaking, no. Each Shabba Realtors, the place to go. We gon' turn your dreams into reality.
We are around Igbefo or Logolo towards New Road, where you have Alpha Beach Resort. So all of these things you are seeing here, we are driving within the axis of Agungi down to Alpha Beach Road, which is New Road, and then that will connect us to Chevron. The next bus stop from New Road is Chevron roundabout. So that is where this phase of the construction ended at this point. And then the next video will take us from VI straight down to Eleko roundabout. Subscribe and stay glued to the channel. More update is coming right on this channel. Keep watching.
Each realtors, no stress, no Each realtors, we there for you. Dream homes, investments, we see you through you. Abraham will lead you, no shaking, no. Each realtors, the place to go. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. Realtors, your trusted guide. Find your land or house or by your side. No matter your plan, we a believer. Each other realtors, we gon' make you prosper. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. Whether you buy, sell or you dey invest, we gon' guide you to make them best. Lagos home so Abuja view. Each other realtors go work for you. Passion wicked, service no be play. Expertise strong, trust us all the way. Now Abraham be the man we sabi with each other. Now success you go each other realtors, we there for you. Dream homes, investments, see you through you. Abraham will lead you, no shaking, no. Each other realtors, the place to go. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. We gon' turn your dreams into reality. Each other realtors, the trusted guide. Find your land or house or by your side. No matter your plan, you a believer. Each other realtors. Shabba realty, we there for you. You let us outflow. Shabba realty.
Down to Chevron, which is where this section ended at the moment. So let's take a tour together of Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway developmental update. My name is Abraham Ishaba from Ishaba Resource TV. Keep watching.
Thank you guys for coming this far with me. In my next episode, I'll be taking this road tour all the way from Victoria Island down to Eleko roundabout. That is going to be more comprehensive than this very video again. Subscribe and stay connected on my channel as more updates on this Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway project development is coming right on this channel. My name remains Abraham Ishaba from NigeriaRoads TV. I look forward to see you again in my next video. Enjoy the rest of the view. Bye for now. Right at this point, this is Chevron axis, and this is my promise for you from the beginning of the video. So I see you again in my next video. Bye for now.